Today's video begins here at Big River's Waterpark in Caney, Texas. Today, they're allowing all season pass holders from other water parks come to their park today, as the rest of them are closed. So we'll be able to use this to get in today. So let's get this episode started. Looks like the Christmas tree is still up from last year. Alright, we are officially at the entrance. Alright, this is our admissions with our casino memberships. In 2 weeks, we're having that event. First up, Rio Grande River. Ooh, this river has a special effect right here.
Well, I'm glad you got this park out of here.
Yeah.
Wow. I see a rolling thunder passing by on the right. Now we're going to ride on the Coil Crush. Here's the weight limits and all the rules. You guys are wondering? Yeah. Same with the other side.
You want to go all the way back over to the park? Just think about like.
we're gonna pass by the kids' water park. We're heading to Freedom Falls next. Alright, got off Freedom Falls. Now we're gonna do one ride out the Colorado River Falls. That will be it for the slides for today. Well, unfortunately, the racers temporarily closed for 30 minutes. And I'll be out of time after that point. Alright, the reason why rapid closed is because for sanitary reasons. That's why. Alright guys, now we're gonna do some of the rides there with the roller coaster. Alright guys, now we have transitioned to rides, and we're gonna start off with Rolling Thunder with our remainder of the day. Alright, now heading over to the swing ship attraction. Unfortunately, the catering job has been closed today. Not sure why.
Oh, wait. You don't want to see?
We exit through the gift shop. Well, everyone, that's going to do today's video here at Six Flags. Not, whoops, wrong park. We're saying, Big Rivers, Waterpark, and Adventure. Today was September the 6th. They are open all of September, so if you guys haven't had a chance to go out to the Waterpark side this summer, go ahead to do that. And then the park has been closed for a couple days. On October the 4th, they are having a water. You'll be able to bring your dogs to the water park. And it's like $10 per pet. And then on September the 20th, which is in 2 weeks from today, as the filming of this video, they're having a 5K splash and dash here at Big Rivers Waterpark and Adventures. Then after that, starting October 9th through the November 2nd, Pumpkins After Dark will be back here at Big Rivers for the second year. And after that, Big Rivers Christmas, so as right now, the dates have not been announced. Adventure Days is coming back next year. So I'm hoping to be back. I'm hoping to be back during these events too. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit a like down below as the scream is going on for the Stinger Racer here. Make sure to give it a like down below. Subscribe if you are new. And turn that notification bell on so you guys never miss a video. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, guys. Bonus footage. Stinger Racers have reopened. Not Stinger, Colorado Racers reopened from its temporarily closure. So, yep. It did reopen. Didn't get to ride it today. Hopefully I'll ride it next year or something. Or before. Hopefully sooner rather than later. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Also, I forgot to mention that we met the park CEO today. I have a picture for you guys that will pop up right after this clip. And that will be the end of the video after that.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.